How to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Face ID not working on your iPhone. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important steps that could get it working again. First, look at the top of your iPhone where the Face ID sensors are. Make sure there's nothing blocking it like a dirty screen, a thick case, or a misaligned screen protector. If it looks smudgy, give it a quick clean and see if that helps. Next, open up Settings. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Then scroll and tap Reset Face ID. Once it's reset, tap Set up Face ID and follow the on-screen steps to register your face again. Still not working. Let's try restarting the phone. Press the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo shows up. Let it reboot and test Face ID again. If it's still acting up, there might be a software issue or a hardware problem, and contacting Apple support could be your best option. That's all for today. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching